What's up, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my first official YouTube video in 2026. I basically made a post on TikTok, Facebook, telling everybody I'm done making social media content and things of that nature. So I am done. I am done making TikToks. I am done making Facebook Reels. I'm gonna solely focus on my YouTube. So if you're watching this video, I need you to like this video. I need you to share this video. I'm locked in on making my YouTube bigger and better than it's ever been. So I need y'all to help me, push out my videos. And I'm going to try to make a lot more good content, not just sit here and talk to y'all. But basically, I just told all my followers on TikTok and Facebook that I'm done making content. And I am for those platforms. I'm going to focus on my YouTube now, and I'm not going to promote my YouTube on my TikTok or my Facebook, even though I should, to try to get my followers from those platforms onto my YouTube, but I'm choosing not to. So, try to grind, start from the bottom. Really, we have almost 1,000 followers. So if you're watching this video, I'm at almost 1,000. So I need you to help me get to 10,000 by the end of the year is my goal. I just don't have the energy to make TikToks and Facebook Reels anymore. You know what I mean? So it took a lot of me, and I couldn't even focus on my YouTube and whatnot. So I'm trying to stay focused on my YouTube. So I need you guys to help me boost my YouTube videos up by liking and subscribing and sharing if you can. Yeah, so here's my official video of letting y'all know that I'm gonna be making a lot more content. So I need y'all to hit that notification button, make sure you stay tuned in. I'm gonna have a lot more content for y'all traveling. Right now I'm on the way to Florida. I'm by myself. My boss has sent me on a quest to do a job by myself, so it's gonna be interesting. Hopefully I do the job right. Hopefully everything goes well. Hopefully I get back to see my family, because there's a big snowstorm coming through the south. I think it's coming up from south. I think I'm driving right into it, because I think it's coming from Florida, coming home to my home, North Carolina, coming up north. But yeah, this is just my official video letting y'all know I'm back on YouTube 24/7. So I need you guys to like this video, share my video, hit that notification button, and yeah, help me. Thank you.